Take control of your financial security and lock down your Experian credit report for free, right from your phone. In today's digital world, protecting your personal information is paramount, and locking your credit report is a powerful way to do just that. This free service from Experian allows you to control who can access your credit file, acting as a strong barrier against unauthorized inquiries and potential fraud. Follow these simple steps to activate your Experian credit lock. First, you'll need to download the free Experian mobile app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and look for the credit lock option, usually found on the main dashboard or within the security section. Tap on Credit Lock. To begin the process, the app will then guide you through verifying your identity. This typically involves answering a few security questions based on your personal credit history. Be prepared with this information to make the process as smooth as possible. After successfully verifying your identity, you'll be prompted to create a unique passcode or PIN specifically for your credit lock. Choose something secure and memorable, as you'll need this to unlock your report in the future. Once your passcode is set, simply confirm and activate the lock. You'll receive a confirmation within the app, letting you know your Experian credit report is now locked. You can easily toggle the lock on and off whenever you need to apply for credit, using the same passcode. By locking your Experian credit report for free, you're adding a significant layer of protection against identity theft and unauthorized credit applications. This proactive step empowers you to manage your financial future with greater peace of mind. Stay vigilant. Stay secure.